Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Nightcrawler from the Avengers Doomsday. So let's start in the center of the page with the eyes. We want to start with a gap in the center. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up across the brow and then bend that out towards the side. Let's line this up over on the right and do the exact same thing. Now I want to go back to the inside. I want to curl up the brow. So we're going to start back on the left. Bend this in and then up. Do the same thing on the right, leaving a gap in between. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. Starting on the left side, we're going to step in. Draw a half circle coming around and just tuck that up underneath that point. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to move to the center and draw the nose, starting back on the left. Curl this down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to move down and give him a large smile. Starting back on the left, come down, then up. Let's add a bracket along the corners of the mouth. And I'm going to step in and add a fang on either side, coming down and up like a V. And then in the center, just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a small curve for the lower lip. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, and come down, round up the chin just underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right, like a half circle. Now I want to sink in the cheekbones. Back on the left, we're going to come in and bend that down on both sides. Let's work our way across the hairline. Going back to the left, we're going to go up and bend this in around the brow. Let's curve this out and then back in toward the top of the hairline. Now I want to pull the hair coming down toward the center point. So from the left, coming in and then down. Bend this up and then out. Let's give our character some pointed ears. Starting back on the left side of the head, angle this up and out. Line it up on the right. Now I'm going to curve the ear, coming around and then back in toward the side of the head. Let's add a fold across the top. From the side of the head, we're going to bend this up and then out towards the top. Go back to the inside, we're going to add a small hook. Now with the face complete, let's draw on the hair. We're going to start from the center point, step up and over toward the left, bend the hair coming around. I want to brush this over towards the right, come in and then down. Let's add another layer going out towards the right side. So halfway along this curve, we're going to go up and then out, bend this in and then down. Let's add another point over on the left side. So just going to line this up, curve this up, go all the way around and then bend that in. Now I want to add 2 points along the side curling up. So we're going to start back on the left side, bend this out and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to curl this around and then bend that in. Let's step up, angle this up with a slight curve. Come down and then bend that in on top of the ears. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar first, starting on the left side. Bend this down and in toward the center of the body. Go to the top right and do the same thing. Now we move out and draw the side of the body, starting back on the left, bend this out and then down towards the hips. Let's add a fold across the center of the body along the chest. Starting on the left, we're going to go across and then down. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to step in, step down, add a curve. Going across the legs, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start back on the left side. Bend this down and then up. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a small gap on the inside. And then we're going to separate the toes with one curve, going up and in. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg, starting on the left, and it's out and then down on top of the feet. Now I want to add that detail across the boot. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down and up, line it up on the right, bend this in and then down. Let's add the bottom of that trim. Starting back on the outside, curve this down towards the point, bend this up and then down towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the top of the body. We're going to add that trim coming down towards the bottom. Let's start on the left. Come in, and then down towards this curve. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on those shoulders. Starting back on the left, then this out, and then up. And we'll curve this in and then up underneath the head. Now with the body and shoulders in place, let's draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the first finger coming down and up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger. Now the third finger, starting on the side, I'm going to bend the arm going up and then in underneath the shoulders. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, starting with that index finger. And we're going to add that same decorative detail that we have on the legs across the arms. Starting from the outside, draw that half circle, and then bend this in and then down. And then we're going to add that point. From the outside, curve this down, go up, and then in. Now that we've completed the body, let's finish off with the tail over on the right side. Starting from the side of the leg, we're going to curve this around the arm, go up, and then out. Let's add that point. Coming out, up toward the tip. Trace this along the outside. And then we're going to trace this curve coming back in towards the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Nightcrawler from the Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.